Hello guys, welcome to my vlog. Ang gagawin ko ngayon guys ay kakanta ako kahit walang microphone at later bibili ako ng magandang microphone. Yes. Sana wireless na lang para hindi siya nag-e-echo kasi yung old one kung maganda sana ang tunog noon kaso lang may nagsira. Kaya this time guys, I will buy microphone. Yes. And then I'm waiting that my brother will come next week, so I go together with him in Kalibo. Yeah. And forward my forward that nanay's money that I sent 2023 and send it to my own account. Ayun guys, ayun ang aking gagawin. By the way guys, thank you to all my new subscribers. Thank you to helping me to have more subscribers. And I hope that it's getting more and more until that I can have my salary. Guys, don't worry. Someday, makakatulong ako sa inyo. Pwede kayong mag-open sa akin ng basta, ang nag-email sa akin dati na yun na he asked, I don't know if she's a girl or a boy, but I remember that he asked help. Yeah. It's like, gift because he said that he will celebrate his birthday, but I cannot remember his name. And there's, in my inbox, I sent a lot of person email already. And I hope that he will say hi to me next time. Yes, next time, don't worry. At baka mayroon akong na-block na sorry sa mga na-block ko kasi alam mo, ang ingay-ingay kasi ng ng tenga ko na to. Itong tenga kong ito, ang gusto kong ipatanggal talaga ang camera na nakalagay dito at earphones na nabibingi ako guys. Kaya ginaganyan ko yung buhok ko dahil sa camera na kailangan kong ipa-remove muna. I need to remove that, yeah. So I can continue like with silent mood. Yeah. By the way, guys, thank you to continuing watching my video. Thank you so much. God bless you all and have a nice evening sa inyong lahat. It's gonna be evening in Philippines and I think it's morning in Europe. By the way, I want to say hi to my daughter. Hi, anak. Good morning. I know that I'm away, 1,000 miles away from you. And I want to send a hug and kisses. Bye-bye. Love you so much. See you if you're celebrating 18th birthday here in Philippines. I hope that it's happened. That's why Mama need to work hard to my YouTube channel so you can have a best birthday celebrating here in Philippines. See you, my dear. Love you so much. Bye-bye.